Did you know that how you define sound is actually a lie? Well, kind of, because how you see sound will heavily depend on the way you answer this question, which is, if a tree falls in a forest and no one is around to hear it, does it make a sound? Now, I know it sounds like a trick question because most people's gut reaction would be that, of course it makes a sound because if a tree falls, the ground shakes and it makes noise, right? And we all know that when a tree hits the ground, it sends out signals through the air, and these vibrations can be graphed as sound waves on a computer. Now, this is where the debate starts, because on one hand, if you define sound physically, like those measurable vibrations themselves, the shifting air pressure, and the energy moving through space, then from that point of view, yes, the tree absolutely does make a sound because the physical process still happens whether or not anyone's there to hear it. But on the other hand, if you define sound as experience, meaning the feeling of hearing something, then no, it doesn't make sound, because then those vibrations only become sound when a brain is there to receive and translate them, and without an ear to detect them, there's no experience of sound at all. Alright, so what's the meaning of all of this? Well, the real point of the question here isn't about trees or forests, but it's about how much of reality exists independent of us, and how much only becomes real once we're here to experience it. So what do you think?